Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to force restart your iPhone SE. So if you're having an issue with the screen or something like that, press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then hold down the power button. So let's do that now. Volume up, down, and then hold down the power button. And you're going to see slide to power off if you have access to your screen. If you don't, just continue to hold down the power button. And your phone should restart. And this should fix any kind of issue you have where the screen is frozen. Now if you want to keep the phone off, when it goes black, press the volume up and hold down the power button at the same time. Now you're going to see the iPhone symbol. Continue to hold those two buttons down, and then when it goes away, you let go and your phone will stay off. But if you just want to quickly restart it, do what I just did and it will pop back up like this, and it should work now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.